All right, Sanso Murata, and this is So, the other room that we have. Looks like my significant other and her mother have chosen this room. And so I will go use Ho as my dwelling for the next 2 nights. So here we go. Konnichiwa. So, different layout. Dining area. Japanese room. And then the Western style sitting area. これ何が来た？お菓子。なんか来た？ What is this? なんて説明しなかったの？ Okay. このお菓子何なんですか？
これは大分のですね、薄切りの生姜せんべいですね。
生姜せんべい。
はい。
美味しそうやね。
Okay, so it's a ginger senbei, which is a Oita Prefecture thing. Ginger. Yes. I don't know what this rice cracker かな。そうやって言うしかない。Oh, that's okay. All right, and then here is, I guess this is where it leads to the bath. Okay. Here's the bath. Again, 2 showers. All right. And then what's over here? This is kind of the mini bar area. And take it, this is the toilet. Yep. All right. So let's take a look upstairs. All right, so let's go upstairs. Let's take another look here. It's really nice architecture at Sanso Murata. All right. Come on up. And this is, again, the Western style bedroom. This is So. And I take it there's another secondary sink and bathroom. Might as well take a look at it for good measure. There we go. All right. So that is Ho in So at Sanso Murata, luxury Ryokan in Yufuin, Onsen town in Oita Prefecture, which is in the southern island of Kyushu in Japan. Hope you enjoyed.